Let's start about first part, people concept and people process components. What is process orchestration concepts? What is orchestration? Process orchestration coordinates events, in a process from a single environment. Orchestration means directs and manages the assembly of multiple services. Second, create a composite application for a business process. And third, relies on people or business process management notation. So if there are so many web services around the world, so we have to coordinate them so they can support, they can take a part in our process, business process, in our organization. So we need one component to manage them, to coordinate them, to, in this case, we call to orchestrate them, called the people process. So in this picture, you can see there are three roles, that join in this case. First is client, as can you learn in the previous subject, you have create the web service client, using webs application, or perhaps a simple public static void main, or perhaps a UI application, and you have create your pieces of web service, your own web service. In this example, we can see there are checks credit web service and process order web service. Perhaps these two web services reside in different location and different machine. How to communicate it? So it runs the business process in our organization. So we need one's role here called business process execution language. We can access check credit web service here, and we can access process order web service here, and we merge the information gathering from these two web services, and then we send it back to the client. Perhaps in the people, you perform the data processing first. For example, calculating the value gathered from checks credit web service or from process order, or we merge two information from both web service before we send it to the client. So what is the BPOL? I like call it BPOL, perhaps someone's call it BPEL, but I more suggest you to call it BPOL, to make easy to remind. BPOL is the business process execution language. This is a markup language for orchestrating service into end-to-end process flow. This is the XML base, XML base. But to make our task easier, rather than we write the XML message, I think it's too complicated. It's not easy to develop the BPOL. The BPOL saw the future of graphical programming, so we do not have to create the orchestration by from scratch coding, from scratch coding or using textual programming, but we prefer to use the graphical programming or visual programming. But the result of the Beeple, the technology behind the Beeple is the XML base. And the third feature of Beeple is executed by a Beeple engine that can process the Beeple XMS source. So you have to download the Beeple engine, the last meeting or the first meeting or the second meeting, you have downloaded the Beeple engine called ODE, yeah, Orchestration Direct Engine. ODE, or we call it OD, yeah, is the Beeple engine. Is one of the Beeple engine produced by Apache as the open source community. Thanks to open source community, so we can learn, so we can explore Beeple freely, yeah, without afraid to the license of the software. Yeah. Okay, this is the Beeple process feature. The important feature that Beeple provides: first, defining the logic of business process through composition of service. So we do not just create the business process as you learn in business process modeling course. We add in our business process by another component called services. So we extend the business process by composite it with the web services. And the secondly, people can handle synchronized and asynchronous operation invocation. I think you have already understand about the difference between synchronized and asynchronous. If you forget about these two concepts, you can learn it, or you can explore in Google, yeah, what is the synchronous and asynchronous operation invocation. And the third, invoking service operation in sequence, yeah, or in parallel. So in the next meeting, we can simulate the process that invoke web service around the world that already published to us, yeah, through sequence or in parallel. So we can create it in a sequence, or can create it in parallel. For example, the travel agents, of course, access the service operation parallelly, yeah, to access the another or others airplane company, yeah. And, and the fourth, supporting long-running transaction, and the fifth, event and faulting handling, and the seventh, receiving incoming message in additional to the original request that instantiated the process. Yeah. These are the Beeple process feature.